1462 Harvard, Brunswick, Ohio. Awesome neighborhood. Final video, virtual tour. Let's go inside. This has a attached one-car garage. Has a huge backyard. Back here. Thing is really big. It's muddy, so I'm not going to go back there, but it's huge. I'll show you a better picture of it in the kitchen. Got all brand new luxury vinyl, all new appliances, all new repainted kitchen cabinets inside and out. It's just new lighting, LED. It has luxury vinyl through the whole first floor. Really nice. Here's one of the places, bedroom or a den. You can see in here, this one's the tub's been re-epoxied, the tile, new shower head, brand new toilet on this, and you have a nice little place to put your towels. The bedrooms are in here. There's 3 up on the top. Really nice bedroom. Again, new plugs and switches and lights and blinds and flooring. Very nice. Same thing in here. Really nice. This how there's your backyard. It's really big. This house has really been upgraded. It's got a nice LED light there. Got matching hardware. Again, this floor is really nice, especially if you're coming in on the winter and muddy days like this. You're not going to ruin anything. You're going to just clean it and go. This house also has a nice big basement with another full bathroom. Been dry locked. You see here it's all painted. The floor is a big one. You have a nice laundry sink there. There's all your laundry hookups. Here, so it's a gas dryer. Very nice. And you have a extra area here for storage. And here's one of the other rooms down here. So you can use it for game room, bedroom, whatever you want. And then we have the bathroom. So the bathroom is a full bathroom. Got a tub and nice big walk-in tub there. New toilet, new vanity. This house has it all. It's in Brunswick, and it's very, very nice. It's on 1462 Harvard. Nice open floor plan, living room, eating, kitchen. Just a nice area to call home. If you're interested in Brunswick, Ohio, this is your place. Thanks. Have a great day.